Tribunal, there are central administrative tribunal,
Very
there are
good.
high courts,
Very
there are
good.
district courts.
Very good. So you
There I
have
can practice and solve their problem.
you just the assets of the organization.
Yes, sir.
Thank
I
you.
work for organization also. I got the opportunity. Many of the people are having the degree, but they don't get any opportunity. But I got the opportunity to work.
That is the important.
So I got practical knowledge, not having only degree of law.
Okay. So what is the basically what you learned about the intention in the criminal law?
To solve the problem, criminal problem,
So what is the importance of intention in the law or criminal law?
to know the law of the country. First of all, many of the people do not know their rights and their duties.
Yes, yes.
Studying law,
Okay.
I came to know
Okay.
what is my duty and what is my right.
Okay.
So in defense forces also, sometimes when people are deprived of their rights,
Right.
they cannot fight because
Okay.
they do not know, they don't have the knowledge.
Okay.
Suppose one commander says wrongful orders,
Okay.
I have to follow
Yes.
because I don't have any option.
Yes.
But if you have knowledge, you can deny politely
Okay.
and you can go ahead with your options.
Right.
That option I know.
Oh,
What
that's
is
the
the option?
benefits.
I can go how?
So
How I can deny my commander that this is wrongful order, I cannot obey it.
so other persons influence with your decision?
Yes, sir. I have helped many of the people because today's society is, suppose the example of social life, divorce cases. Many of the people are going under divorce cases in defense forces also,
Okay.
having litigation in their life, wife, with dowry cases.
Okay.
So I can guide them, I can counsel them, and I can save their family.
Yes.
I
And
can
influence,
advise them.
influence regarding the other persons have taken the courses, this type of course.
Many of the
for
people in
future.
Air Force, many of the people having after joining, they undergo some of the courses.
So after retirement, how can you use this course in the future, in your life?
I am law qualified. I have already practical knowledge.
Okay.
I can register myself in any of the course.
Have you registered
And I can practice.
for the legal practice?
No, I cannot register during the service.
During the service.
After retirement, I can register myself. And I can
Very-
practice
Very
anywhere.
good. That is the, I think this is the, we have the, in the world, we have the two types of profession. That is the most important, that is the doctors and legal officer or lawyer. If you know the concept of the CRPC or CPC, including the arbitration law, you can earn up to the life.
Not only earning, for society also.
Also,
I can,
this is the
without
most-
earning
this is
also,
the
I can
another
advise,
issue.
I can counsel someone.
But if you have some other persons, that is the associate persons, they can earn with your support. That is the another issue. But that is the most important thing in our society. Two types of professionals having the long run. That is the doctor and lawyer. So that is a good thing for you.
And lawyer doesn't retire.
Never.
Up to last of his life, till he decides,
Yes, yes.
he can practice it.
Yes, yes. You have just mind. You have just a creation of the mind. And if you want to not write, not able to write anything, but if you want to think about any matter and give the opinion,
I can
then
guide
you are able
someone.
to.
Juniors will write, I can guide him. Many senior people senior advocates, they doesn't go to the court also, but on their name, the court is influenced and they get the result like he likes.
So, what is the message for other persons? Message from your
Having any degree in the life, professional degree, doesn't go in vain. Suppose we are here for 3 months, we learn something, it will never go in vain. You can learn something, like fisheries also, horticulture, animal husbandry, it can help us in post-retired life. You can go to our fields, we get any points, we can earn something from there.
Yes. That's the most
So
important.
this course is also not a waste course, not only for enjoyment. We can learn many things from it.
Yes, yes, yes. That is the truth.
And any degree, whatever we have earned during our service, having extra effort,
Yes.
doing our duty, studying in the night, going for exam, having leave, taking leave, giving exam, getting degree, and then practical knowledge.
That
It
is
will
the life.
help us post-retired life.
That is the life. Thank you. आप लोगों ने पूरा लेक्चर सर का सुन लिया। ये लेक्चर नहीं है सच में। ये जॉब करते हुए आसान नहीं होता, स्पेशली लीगल कोर्सेज में। आप जितना लाइफ में पढ़ते हैं वो 4 साल में 5 साल में पढ़ाई जाती है। CRPC और CPC अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा पूरी लाइफ लोग पढ़ जाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे CRPC CPC लोगों को समझ में नहीं आती, और जिनको समझ में आ जाती है तो उनके पास पैसों की भी कमी नहीं रहती और इज्जत दौलत होती है। अब किसी अच्छे लॉयर के पास चले जाएं, एक बुक है 7 लॉयर जो हिंदुस्तान के बेस्ट लॉयर हैं उनके ऊपर एक किताब है। इस किताब को आप पढ़ेंगे तो उनकी पूरी जीवनी उसमें लिखी हुई है। उनके अपने कैरियर को कहाँ पे वो फाइनल किए, कि अपने लीगल लाइफ में कैसे आए, उन्होंने कोर्स कैसे किया, फैमिली का सपोर्ट कैसे मिला, कहाँ कहाँ उनको प्रॉब्लम हुई, और आज वो हिंदुस्तान के सबसे टॉप 10 लॉयर में है। वो किताब जरूर पढ़िए। मेरे पास तो आज नहीं है, अदरवाइज मैं आपको देता। बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस नहीं है, 600-700 रुपये की किताबें हैं वो। आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा उस किताब से, आप उसको जरूर पढ़िए।
Tribunal, there are central administration